Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about the Sonicwall Firmware version 7.1.2. This is a firmware that I know for sure is installed on the NSA Gen 7 firewalls, and for some reason, and we've verified this with support, that version of the firmware can randomly fail. We had one client where their internal IT tried to upgrade the firmware, and they have an high availability unit, and it just broke everything catastrophically. And we were on a support call with Sonicwall till like 5 in the morning. One of the last things we tried to do is get on this version, and then it broke again. And then it also broke when we tried to enable the HA pair. It seems to happen more with firewalls that maybe had a configuration that was imported from a previous generation firewall, or firewalls that have a fairly complex configuration. We've also had success installing the firmware without any problems, but just be aware of that. For right now, we're telling our clients to maybe, if you do that, do it after hours, get a good backup, right? Blah blah blah, because we've seen it happen with one client so far, but that was pretty scary and very painful. So anyway, if you're running an NSA Gen 7, just make sure if you're going to do a firmware update 7.1.2, do it after hours, maybe on a Friday, so that you have the weekend to fix it in case it breaks catastrophically. Learn from our pain, I guess. So anyway, that's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Thanks a lot for listening. Stay safe out there. We'll talk to you soon.